Hi, let me introduce you to Pywinauto Recorder. Go to pywinautorecorder.readthedocs.io. Pywinauto Recorder is a great tool. It can record user actions and saves them in a Python script. Then the saved Python script can be run to replay the user actions previously recorded. Pywinauto Recorder is a unique record replay tool in the open source field because it generates reliable scripts without hard-coded coordinates thanks to Pywinauto. Pywinauto is a library that uses accessibility technologies allowing you to automate almost any type of GUI. The functions of the generated Python script return Pywinauto wrappers so it can be enhanced with Pywinauto functions. Let's get started. Download Pywinauto Recorder for Windows on this web page. Click on this download button. Locate the downloaded file and move it in a convenient folder. Run Pywinauto Recorder. Now Pywinauto Recorder colors green the interface elements it can identify under the mouse cursor. It started in pause mode, which is represented by the first icon in the top left corner of the screen. To record my next actions I press Alt-Ctrl-R. Now it's recording. Then I'm going to start calculator to do a little addition. One plus 2 equals 3. Finally, I close the calculator. I press Alt-Ctrl-R to stop recording. And Alt-Ctrl-Q to quit Pywinauto Recorder. The generated file is in Record Files folder. Let's open the file that was just created to see what it looks like. You can see that it is an easy-to-read Python script. The functions return Pywinauto wrappers. I'm going to call draw outline on some of these wrappers. The first draw outline will display a red rectangle around the 1 button. The second one will display a green rectangle around the plus button. And the third one will display a blue rectangle around the 2 button. Let's replay it. Now Pywinauto Recorder is replaying. You can see the replay icon in the top left corner of the screen. The actions we recorded in the Python script are going to be replayed and the 3 draw outline functions we've just added are going to be called. Thank you for watching.